everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do this eye look using the Too Faced Tutti Frutti Pineapple Palette, and this is my end of summer eye look. This is going to be a simple, easy eye look that anyone can do and that any age can do. So if you want to see how I did my eyes, just stick around. Okay, I'm going to start with this shade and go all over the lid area. All the way up to the brow bone. I'm using a Farrah brush. It's the large shading brush, but any brush you have that shape will be just fine. Next, I'm going to take that exact same brush and I'm going to go into this brown right here. And I'm going to use that as a transition shade. So it's going from my crease up. It's not going all the way to the brow bone. I'm just going to put it right, lay it right in the crease and above a bit. I use windshield wiper motions, and I also use circular motions just to make sure I get that color blended and nice and even. You don't want streaks, you want it blended. Make sure you look at both eyes and make sure you've got it even. And if you need to, go back and just kind of add more here and there. If you feel like you got a little too much, take a clean fluffy brush and just keep going over the area, and that will help to remove some of the shadows and kind of tone everything down a little bit, blend it down a little bit. But sometimes when we make a little accident, it turns out something really nice, so don't worry about that. Now, I am going to take a little more densely packed round brush. I like this for my crease. I can control this really good in my crease. I'm going to take the dark brown and I'm going to focus that into my crease. I'm going to start in the middle. If you want to start out here, that can help open your eyes, make them look wider. If you happen to have wide set eyes, maybe you want to put a little darker in here, and that can help close in the space a little bit. Just play with your makeup, and because it's all you're doing is adding lights and darks, shadows and highlights. Whatever you highlight, wherever you put light, that stands out. Whatever you want to kind of disappear, you use the darker shades to create a shadow. So now I'm going to start in the middle and focus my color there and then work it, blending it out to the outer edges. See? I want my eye open. I have big eyes. I know I have big eyes, but I like to really focus and really emphasize my eyes, so I like to make them look even larger. Now take that brush you've been using and use it to blend as you go. Go over that area and blend out those edges. You don't have to clean it out just because it's your transition shade in there, so that will help to blend. I don't add any more shadow to that brush. I just don't bother cleaning it out. And see, that helps to blend that, make it smoother. The key to a really nice eye look, I think, is blending. Okay, I'm happy with that. I like how that looks. Now, I'm going to shift down to my lid. And for my lid, I am going to start, I think I'm going to start with this, it looks like a duochrome kind of green. Let's put it on our finger. It is a duochrome green. Can you see how it shifts to kind of like I want to say like a rust color to a green? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So first I'm going to take what I call a flat eyeshadow brush. is this one called? This is the Luxie eye shading brush. I'm going to try it dry first, but I might need to dampen my brush, but we'll see. I'm going to try dry first. And I'm going to put that over the entire lid area. Oh, I don't need to dampen it. Oh. There we go. I really like that. This is a nice look that any age can do, and it's a really simple eye look, and you're playing with some color, and I think it doesn't matter. I'm 55. I love my glitter and my color. It doesn't matter. There's no rules. It's what you like and what you think looks good on you, then that's all that matters. Alright, now I think I'm going to take my little detail brush, and that's what it looks like. I am going to dip into the dark brown again, and I am going to line under my eyes, under my lower lash line, with this brown. Okay, I'm going to clean that out. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of that duochrome green. And just, I think, on this inner portion right here, I'm going to dust some on and just kind of blend it out a little. Just because I want that color under there. I like this color. Now I'm going to clean out that brush. I'm going to go into this shimmer shade. Get that on my brush, and that I'm going to put in my inner corner. Give me a little highlight there. Now with my finger I am going into this gold glitter. Now be very careful. I'm just patting my finger down into it like that. I'm not rubbing it. And then I'm just going to dab it on the center of my eye because I like to shine right in the center of my eyelid. I like to add a little something, a little extra right there. I like that. I'm going to go and put my mascara and some gel eyeliner on, and I'll be right back. Okay, there we go, the finished look. This is my end of summer eye look using this Tutti Frutti palette by Too Faced. This is on sale, part of the 21 Days of Beauty with Ulta. I'll have it linked below, but yeah, I don't remember what day it is. It's one day next week, so you have plenty of time to go and look and see. These will be $17. I like this one. I don't have the other one, but this one is a favorite. I knew when I first saw it I wanted it, and I'm glad I picked it up. So thank you all for watching. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next time.